Wow, that was easy. Where we putting it? Where we landing, boys?
Look, mommy, it's a fish.
Sir, that's not a fish.
Shut up.
And I'm not your mama. All right, so I'm gonna tell you what we learned today. So before we end this, what we learned today: don't leave your car unattended, or somebody gonna draw on your shit. And around the world, around the world,
Smacking that
around.
timing belt. Or what's left of it.
Yeah, that timing belt.
Y'all want a blown timing belt? Selling it. $5
Ain't
or
nobody
best
finna
offer.
buy. Ain't nobody finna buy that shit, bro.
I don't know. You can say, hey, I blew a timing belt, and that's why you won. Not because I own a slow piece of garbage car.
Well, the other one holding it all. So.
Yep.
See, drift wheel.
We've been over this. We're not doing it. We're not doing it.
This time we're buying it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. You
How
know
much
what?
is
Give me
this?
this. Give me
How
this.
much is this?
Give me this. Give me
The
this.
tire.
Lid ain't gonna fit.
Ain't gonna fit. Ain't gonna fit like that. The salami lid. The salami
Ain't gonna
lid.
fit.
Ain't gonna fit.
Oh, dang.
Well, they're